How to factory reset Aqara U200 smart lock. Step 1. Enter reset mode. On the U200 keypad, hold lock and confirm simultaneously for around 2 seconds until reset mode starts. Step 2. Locate the reset button on the lock. Go to the indoor lock unit and locate its physical reset button. Step 3. Hold reset for 3 seconds. While the lock is in reset mode, press and hold the reset button for approximately 3 seconds. The lock will erase its user data and return to factory settings. Step 4. Pair the lock again. You can now set up the U200 again in your preferred Matter ecosystem such as Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Samsung SmartThings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.